and welcome to today's tip. I'm going to be making some cool funky borders and lines with my embossing powder, and I'm using my double-sided tape. Now I've got some lovely thin, and it needs to be thin for this. I'm just going to make sure it's straight. It needs to be nice and thin, unless of course you want to make thick lines. And what I'm going to be doing is making some lovely embossed lines. Now you could just do your border. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing here, so I think I'm just going to sort of play around with the shapes until I get what I want. Okay, so I've made a box on mine, and I am just pushing that down really hard because this is Distress Inks embossed through vellum, so it's a bit thick and chunky. I'm then just going to pull off all of my top parts. And now I'm going to go in and add my embossing powder. And there we are left with a beautiful gold embossed border. Now mine looks a bit rickety because of all of the lumps and bumps that sit under it, but I really love how it's come out. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.